Hi, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can use Plotly to create some graphs. This is going to be a really useful tool for your science fair project. So, the first thing you want to do is open Plotly and log in. You're going to see this button on the top that says New Project. Click on it, and when you do that, it's going to take you to this section right here. Okay, so this is what you should see. You can see it's already filled out with some examples. We're going to go ahead and delete these cells because we're going to be working with our own data. So go ahead and click highlight and press delete, and it'll just go ahead and delete everything there. Now Plotly is very similar to Excel. I know that last year you guys were taught how to use Excel or Google Spreadsheet and how to use graphs. It's a little bit easier than that, so that's good to know. Now, for example, we are going to be using this data table that shows the number of goals shot accurately by a soccer player with and without music. And you can see these are the number of goals shot with no music and with after 2 minutes of music. And they did it 3 trials. So let's go ahead and start by graphing just the first trial with these 2 variables. Now, for graphs, usually the x-axis shows the independent variable. So in this case, the independent variable was to have music and the control was to have no music. So over here, you're going to go ahead and make sure the choose as X is highlighted and go ahead and type in no music for the first box and listened to 2 minutes of music for the second part. Then for column 2, you are going to be make sure it's highlighted, choose as Y. The y-axis is, remember, the vertical axis that runs up and down. It shows the value of the dependent variable in response to the control and independent variable. So over here, these are the values that you are going to put into the Y section. So for no music, there is 20 goals shot, so you're going to go ahead and put 20. And for after 2 minutes of music, they were able to shoot 24. So for here, you're going to go ahead and put 24. Okay. Okay. So now we have a set of data to work with. Go ahead. The Plotly already set up a bar chart for you. So you're going to go ahead and click on this button that says bar chart. And when you do that, okay, you see it will graph the data for you. So you can see for no music, we have 20 people, and for 2 minutes of music, we have for 25. Now we want to make sure we have a title and labels for our X and Y axes for this set of data. So let's go ahead and label our graph. We're going to take the name that we have here for the data table, number of goals shot accurately by a soccer player with and without music. Okay? And our x-axis over here shows the soccer players with no music and after 2 minutes of music. So let's put soccer players that shot goals, okay? Because this is what this represents. And the y-axis actually shows the number of the goals shot. So let's go ahead and click here, and you're going to put number of goals shot. And there you have your first graph. To save this, all you have to do is click on this button right here that says save, and it's gonna title it the title you gave your graph. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this like this, and what it does is it will save it for you. Now, when you are ready to print it for your science fair project, what you would do is click on this button. It says export, and when you click on it, it's going to give you some options as to how you want to save it. If you save it as a PNG format, it's usually very easy to print. So you can save it as PNG or PDF, and when you click download, what it does is it downloads it right to your browser, and you can open it and print it, just like that. You also have the option to share this plot with somebody else. So let's say you want to share it with your science fair partner. You would click on this button that says share, and you can go ahead and put in their email address here, and you would be able to share this graph with that person. Now, I would like for you to go ahead and put my email, so that you can share your plot with me as proof that you did today's assignment. So go ahead and click add. And what that does is it's going to go ahead and share your graph with me.